All right, we're going to start on the next part of the tools, and that is cylinder skirt cuff. Cylinder skirt cuff, and that is got an OD of 1 inch 5/62, 1 5/8. So 1 5/8. No, it's under 1 5/8. So anyway, I have this piece that I cut off of the other part. So I'm going to take and use this, and we'll clamp it in the lathe, and we'll turn the ID first, and then we'll turn it around and turn it, see if I can clamp it in the inside. Nope, I won't be able to clamp it in the inside. Let me look here. 1 inch 126. Oops. I'm looking in my mandrels over here on the bench to see if I can find something that is 1 inch 126. 1 inch 1 inch 62. I'm wondering if I shouldn't face it to length, put it on here on this mandrel after I put it in the lathe, and turn the OD of this, then clamp it on the outside of it, and turn the ID. Let's see what else I got for, don't want to drop that. Something that's bigger than that. Nope. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take and face the length of it down to 750, and then I'm going to what? One inch 60. I'm going to face it to length, and then while I got it clamped in there, I'm going to bore the ID up to this diameter that I have here, and then I'll take it out and lightly clamp it, and then bore the ID, I think. Anyway, we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna move you over here to the lathe carefully. Oops. Put this over here for now. And I'm going to tip you in like this so you're over top. I'm tying a rope around my handle here, so that I don't get vibrations from the lathe. All right, I got it. And I can zoom you in a little. Okay, I'm going to turn the autofocus off. All right, I think I got your focus in focus. My glasses are laying up here. Okay. So we want to cut the length first, and I'm going to clamp it in so that I got it just. I got it in my jaws there, and I'll take the single point tool out, and I'll put that in. Then I got to turn my tool post around to where it's right again. To where it's square. Let me see here. Nah, take the tool out. And move that. There we go. Now it's the face of this is parallel with the chuck. And I put my safety glasses on. It's really crappy outside. It's raining and cold and windy, and it's winter's coming. We're gonna go with C1 and run it a little bit. Get the oil circulating. I could take this single point, or this my threading tool out of there and put it away. All right, now Alright, take a cut on the front face here. That'll do. Gonna hit the I want to hit the edge there and knock that burr off of there. Get the and we want to go to 750. We're at 815. So we want to go 65 thou. Touch off on the front. 65. There we go. All right, now we'll start to bore the inside. And I'll get a tool bit here, if I can find where I did with it. I had found a tool bit that had migrated out to my electrical shop, and I'm not sure where I done with it. Well, I guess I'll just have to go with this one. And we'll tighten that down. Looks good. All right. I'll come in and touch the ID. And I'm going to slow down some here. We'll go 600 once. Good. All right. Now we'll see where we're at here. We're at 862. 862. All right, and we want to go to 128, 1 inch 126 is what we want to go to. Okay, that's quite a bit there. We'll see if it will handle it. Oh yeah. Taking a free pass to take the spring out of that spring cut out of it. And now I'm going to get my snap gauges over here. And we will use this one here. Take one pass through there with a spring gauge, one time. Slowly, one time. There we go. And it should be about 950. $9.51 the way it looks. Yep, 951. So the readout is pretty close. There's a build up on that. All right, we'll go to 150 now. Take a 100 thou. Actually, it's 151 now. Oh shoot. $126. That's right. I was thinking I would I had messed up. Take 2 passes here too. I think I'll take 3 passes here. I see it was still cutting on when I was backing out. All right. All right, I gotta get my other mic now. My 1 to 2 mic. And one inch, 52 and a half. So we gotta go to 126. So we'll go 124. I'm adjusting my readout to the right number here. 124. Let's measure that. $120. So it's taken about a 4/10 spring pass. 125 right now. If I take another spring pass, it'll take a thou out, I think. And this will be measuring a press fit, so. $126.5. Bravo. So I can put this away. And put my mic away. Well, actually, I'm going to need my mic to mic the outside of it. All right. So now, we want to. Oh shoot! I was gonna turn it to my diameter here. I didn't. I turned it to finished diameter. Shoot. So that means now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna turn the OD of it. The OD of it, really, I don't think I have to turn the OD of it, because let's take this out of there once. Because it's going to slip over and it's going to be in a 3-jaw clamping on this diameter. So I think it's going to be fine the way it is. I think it's going to be fine the way it is, because now I'm going to dial it in, drill a relief here, and then cut this out. So, am I not right? Well, 156. I think I'm sure it'll be all right. So, I'm going to clean up the lathe a little bit and then move over to the mill, and I'll meet you at the mill.